Experience the surprising benefits of jump rope with just 10 minutes a day. Jump rope isn't just for kids. This simple tool can transform your body in ways you might not expect, from enhanced cardiovascular health to improved coordination and strength. Jump rope offers a full body workout that can deliver results fast. First and foremost, jump rope is a powerful cardio workout. It gets your heart rate up quickly, strengthening your heart and improving blood circulation throughout your body. Over time, this can lead to lower blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and a reduced risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Jumping rope is also highly effective for burning calories. In just 10 minutes, you can burn as many as 200 calories, leading to fat loss, especially around the abdomen, and a boosted metabolism. While jump rope is often associated with cardio, it's also a great way to tone and strengthen your muscles. Your legs, core, and arms all get a workout, leading to better muscle tone and strength, as well as improved endurance. Not to mention, jump rope improves coordination and balance. The timing and rhythm required to keep the rope moving correctly engage your brain as well as your body, improving your overall agility and coordination. Beyond the physical benefits, jumping rope can also have a positive impact on your mental health. The endorphin rush you get from a quick, intense workout helps reduce stress, improve mood, and increase mental clarity. So why wait? Just 10 minutes a day with a jump rope can lead to a healthier, stronger, and happier you. With all these surprising benefits, the question is, why wouldn't you jump on board?